Good morning and welcome to the homework video for third grade. This will be going out on Tuesday, April the 14th, and covers the lesson homework from lesson 10.3. We were working with elapsed time, so let's go ahead and take a look at our problems. These should be pretty easy. So to start with, number 2, we started at 6:45 p.m. We're ending at 6:54. So if we did the strategy where we're subtracting, we could do 54 minus 45 to get our answer. We can also count by fives to get from 45 to 50, and then count by ones 4 times to get to 54. So that would give us a total of 9 minutes elapsed. So number 4, starting at 5:20, we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then we have 2 more ones. So that would take us to 47, and that would give us 27 minutes. And again, if we used our strategy where we do 47 minus 20, that would also help us find our answer. Number 6. The first train leaves the station at 6:15 p.m. Second train leaves at 6:55 p.m. How much later does the second train leave the station? We can do the 6:55 minus 6:10, and we don't have to worry about the hour part for this since it'll be the same. So we're essentially doing 55 minus 10, which would be 45. And then we would want to put minutes, but it takes too long for me to try to write that kind of stuff. So number 1 on the back. Marcus began playing football at 3:55 p.m. and stopped playing at 8:56 p.m. How many minutes did he play basketball? So one of the things that we can do is we can go ahead and count our 1 minute. And I'm just going to kind of write this out to the side. That gets us up to 3:56. Then we have 5 hours. So each hour is worth 60 minutes. So we can do 1 plus 60. And we can just write these out across the top. Or we could write it down here. I'm going to show you a different way that we can do that in just a second. So the other way that I would suggest that you could do it is you could do 6 times 5 and then put an extra 0 at the end of the answer to represent that you are doing 6 tens times 5, and that would give you 30 tens, or if we put the extra 0 at the end, that would give you 300 minutes, which is what we would get if we added 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. And then we add the 1 minute to get from 55 to 56 minutes, and that would give us 301 minutes. Number 2, school play started at 8:15 p.m. and ended at 8:56. Again, this is one that we could just use our subtraction strategy for. So I'm just going to write down the minutes, and that would give us an answer of 41 minutes. So those are our problems for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to post in the comments for Google Classroom, and I will be happy to answer those. Our conference call will be from 9 to 11 on Tuesday, and this will be open to, I believe it's 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So again, please stop by if you want to come hang out, watch me play ukulele, or try to. Maybe with my wife, maybe not. At some point in time, I'll have to try to get Ernie on one of these. But that involves us going over to our parents' house to do that. So we may do that at some point if the weather's nicer later on in the week, but I don't know if we'll do that for tomorrow. So hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.